to highlight the importance and the importance of senior citizens. And with this program, NALSA has come out with the subject of training legal aid advocates and paralegal volunteers on an act which is called the Maintenance and Welfare of Parents and Senior Citizens Act 2007. Now, we all know that senior citizens are very near and dear to us, but we have noticed that they are all neglected everywhere. The situation, the need to impart this training on this topic was because now over the years there has been substantial increase in life expectancy of the people. Now, statistics of 2011 have revealed that senior citizens population will, from 2000 to 2050, it will increase by 55%. By 55%, out of which persons 60 plus will be about 325%, and persons more than 80 and above will be about 700%. Out of this, about 1/8 of the population of the seniors, of the elderly people are found in India. So it was a great concern for the NALSA, and with this concern, NALSA has thought of coming out with a training on this act. All legal aid advocates are present. They do not require any training. They are all competent. They are all come from different parts of the places. But still, it's a part of the NALSA to see that the main part of the main purpose of the act goes to the people through the legal aid advocates and paralegal volunteers.